Hello again, this is another commissioned weathering job on this model. It's a Sante Fe hopper, you can see it pretty clearly in the packaging there. This one is from the Bachmann Silver series, which isn't too bad really. They're pretty good detailed models and they do come with metal wheels. This one apparently was £7.50 at some point, but I think maybe this box was for a different model, maybe not this one. Anyway, let's get it out and we'll check it out. Well, it's not a bad hopper wagon really, but it isn't maybe up to modern standards. But I do like the fact that it's got these metal wheels. Around this side though, it has this area where it has Sante Fe. It's been painted over and it's kind of not been done that well. So we're going to have to try and figure out what to do with that. The owner of this has asked if I do kind of like a light weathering on it with some rust patches. So maybe I could make this like some patch up area and maybe rust it up that way. But obviously the first thing I need to do is get the cutting mat down and also take this model apart so we can work on it. So that's the first step. And then after that, I'll be applying a kind of light weathering effect and I'll show you the paints I'm going to be using as we go along. If you'd like me to weather your rolling stock and locomotives, there's a QR code on screen just now. You can scan that with your phone and you can send me an email and we can start talking. If you are actually watching this on your phone though, you can go to the YouTube channel page where you can find my email address, or you can look me up on like Facebook, X or Instagram. It's quite easy to get in contact. Anyway, I'll stop wittering on now, I'll put on some music as we get stuck into weathering up this wagon.